It is true that if you don't know how to use AI, AI will know how to replace you. Using AI must either save you time or save you money. If you are not using AI to save your time or money, then you are simply using it in a wrong way. You can make money from it, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. These 7 AI tools will make you rich. Number 1. 10web.io and Durable.co. Building or making a website initially required endless hours of development. You needed to be very good at several different coding languages. It required a lot of time and money even for a simple website. But now you can do it in a blink of an eye by using these 2 AI websites. These AI websites will transform weeks of work into minutes, only with just a few basic inputs. Yes, with just a few basic inputs, the AI gets to work. Designing, building, writing, and even adding images. You also get access to features like built-in SEO and AI recreation. It allows you to feed the AI websites you like, and it can recreate similar websites for you. And guess what? Your fully functional, aesthetically pleasing website is ready to shine. With these AI-driven websites, you're not just saving time, you're saving money too. You used to offer hundreds and thousands of dollars to freelancers who used to build and develop websites for you. But now you can do it on your own. You can start your own website building business with these tools. Interesting fact is, back in the late 90s, even the simplest websites could cost you as much as $20,000 to $25,000. I just saved you a lot of money. If you want to visit the tools mentioned in the video, I will be sharing links to all the tools in the description below. Number 2. Opus Clip. Let's face it, the attention span of humans has been decreasing every single year. As our attention spans shrink, short-form content has become the crown jewel of online engagement. It's not just a trend, it's the future. And if you want to get attention, then short-form content is the key. But trimming down lengthy videos is a massive task. It demands a massive amount of time. This is where Opus Clip comes in. Opus Clip is the king of grabbing attention in seconds. It will take any of your long-form content, and with just a single click, it will turn your long-form content into short-form content. This is how it works. With a single click, the AI identifies the juiciest parts. It is able to identify the best hooks and relevant highlights of your video and clips them together. What this means is, if you use this AI, then your chances of getting viral are much higher. But you can also build your business around this too. There are full-time employees and freelancers who make you short-form content, but now you can set your business by offering these services. Using Opus Clip will definitely make you a lot of money, and all the while, you're saving time on editing. Opus Clip isn't just a tool, it's your content's secret sauce. Again, all the links to the tools are in the description below. Next is Tidio AI Lyro. Now if you have a website, product, service, or a business, or if you are planning for one, then customer support is not to mention one of the most important things that you will have to provide. Now here's the problem. Providing customer support means dealing with a maze of questions, tickets, and frustrated customers, which directly affects your sales. This is where Tidio AI Lyro comes in. Tidio AI Lyro can either assist or replace your support team which handles customer support. And Tidio AI Lyro will do it all while boosting sales on your websites. This means you will 1. Save money by hiring less to not staff at all, and 2. Make more money by providing a better customer support and experience. And this will directly increase your sales as a result. The next AI tool will help you save a lot of time. Have you ever read through a big, endless, lengthy document? Or maybe you have to do some reading for a class, or you are in a situation where you have to read a long report or document. Then DocuAsk can save you a lot of time. With DocuAsk, you no longer need to read those long, big documents. Now there are plenty of other tools like Chat-gpt that can help you with summarizing the document, but it's just a summary, which means you can still miss out important points and highlights. DocuAsk, on the other hand, takes any of your document and analyzes it. So you can simply ask questions about whatever you want to know from the document in the chat box, and it will extract the exact information and give it to you in the form of an answer. The next AI tool will help you simplify your workflow and save you time using Chat-gpt Writer. Chat-gpt Writer helps you tackle an everyday challenge about emails. With this simple Chat-gpt-based Chrome extension, you can reply to your emails in seconds. It's simple but very effective. You no longer need to waste your time on tasks like replying to your emails or even using Chat-gpt for replying to your emails by giving prompts. You will surely save your time with just a click. It's like having your personal AI assistant, no more copy-pasting, just pure efficiency. The next AI is called Microsoft's Copilot. If you are someone struggling with Excel sheets and PowerPoint presentations, Microsoft's Copilot is your best ally. You see, both Excel sheets and PowerPoint presentations are static documents that can be difficult to update and interact with. Excel sheets and PowerPoint presentations can be visually boring and uninspiring. This can make it difficult to capture the attention of your audience and communicate your message effectively. The solution is Microsoft's Copilot. It's your all-in-one virtual assistant, from transcribing meetings to creating tailor-made presentations. It directly complements Microsoft's entire suite of products. That means it's able to do everything from analyzing Excel spreadsheets to making awesome PowerPoints. It can transcribe notes during a Microsoft team meeting and provide you with a summary of the key points. It can also create mind-blowing presentations to your desired branding guidelines. We all have tried making PowerPoint presentations, and this will do it for you, which is extremely time-saving. And yes, it can also reply to all of your emails. This is the best example of AI making your workflow easy. The last tool that I am about to share is crazy. If you found this video valuable so far, like it and share it with your money-making friends, and you will definitely blow their mind. The last AI tool is far the most incredible tool among this list: Adobe Firefly. You see, creating captivating visuals and graphics can be a hard task. With Adobe Firefly, you can do it easily, and even better, you can do it better than ever before. It turns text into stunning images, removes and adds elements from photos, and transforms sketches into lifelike visuals. With Adobe Firefly, you're not just saving time, you're unlocking the door to unprecedented creativity. Adobe Firefly will do it for you. Fact is, if you want to make money in the creative industry, you normally need a whole team of graphic designers and artists, or you at least need some, if not a lot of knowledge on learning graphic designing tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and whatnot, which is pretty time-consuming. But by using Adobe Firefly, you can just let AI do all the hard work for you. AI's entry into creative industries is reshaping the way we express ourselves, bridging the gap between imagination and reality. It all depends on your imagination. By using Adobe Firefly, you can not only save time for creating your visuals, but you can also start a business by offering creative services like illustrations and more. You can even start a business of producing fascinating visuals and sell it on websites that offer you money for doing it. It can draw in or erase objects in a photo. It can also turn your sketches into photorealistic images, and so much more. Do note that embracing AI isn't just about following trends, it's about finding the tools that truly make a difference. Now that I have given you the 7 AI tools that will help you make money and ultimately save time, all you need to do is work. I 100% believe that you can do it, no matter what. Just keep moving forward. Do let me know which of these AI tools are you excited to try out by dropping your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, making more money than before and financial freedom should always be one of our priorities in life, and I teach exactly how to do it. Stay poor if you want to, or subscribe to this channel if you want to get rich and make more money. You are finally at the right place at the right time. I will see you in the next one. Take care.